Hello guys, this is Dr. Lior Bar-El, and man, I'm actually in the middle of some things to do. So we're gonna be doing a killer chicken recipe because we hit that 8,000 subscriber line right here. So definitely keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep hitting that bell button. But we're gonna be doing some amazing chicken recipe right here. I want you guys to see it and I want you guys to try it, and in the comment section let me know what you guys think. It is amazing. I did it with wings, I'm gonna be doing it with drumsticks now, so let's rock and roll. Okay guys, so what we're gonna need, you could do this with wings also, but I'm doing it with drumsticks here. With wings it's really cool as well. But anyways, we need a bunch of drumsticks, some olive oil as you see I put on it, nice sriracha, okay? So if you could get sriracha, that's the best damn thing ever. Curry, we're just gonna put a capful, or I'm gonna put probably more than a capful obviously. And we're gonna get some white mushrooms in this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it all together, a capful of curry, as much as you want of sriracha, okay? So as much as you want that little, with the chicken in the front there. As much as you want of that, I'm going to put a ton of that. And I'm going to chop the mushrooms very, very lightly. And then we're going to put some parsley flakes. Okay, if you have fresh Chinese parsley, which is called coriander, you go ahead and do that. But I like the flakes. It's also nice for garnish. But it also tastes really good in when you're air frying chicken. And so that's what I recommend. Do it in an air fryer. If you can't do it in an air fryer, do it in the oven. It'll be good either way. So anyways, let's go, or just deep fry them. Anyways, let's get right into it. So guys, as you can see, when it's all mixed up with the parsley and the sriracha, I put a ton of that sriracha on there. Look at that gorgeousness. Looks good enough to eat already. No, I'm just kidding. You have to, we're going to be cooking this baby right now in the air fryer, but look how amazing this looks, guys. Look how amazing. And those shrooms, those mushrooms right here, look how good they look. Could you imagine what that's going to be like after the air fry? Absolutely stunning. Now, you could I was thinking of doing asparagus tips as well. I would recommend putting it, except Costco didn't have it at the time. So, unfortunately, it's just going to be mushrooms right now. So, really cool. But you could also put cayenne pepper. You could do whatever you want if you want more of a kick. Also, if you mix up lemon in there, that would be good. Like lemon juice, that is. That'd give it a really spicy kick because of the acids and everything. But I'm happy the way this thing looks right now. So I'm going to be putting this baby right into the air fryer, which I use on my Ninja. So it's going to be a while, but like 10 minutes or whatnot. I think no, 20 minutes or something like that. So I'll get back to you guys and I'll show you how the finished product looks. But look how freaking yummy this thing looks. Absolutely stunning. Anyways, you can also put ketchup in there if you want. Once you cook ketchup, it'll give it a sweet and sour taste. But to be honest, sriracha, it already has onion powder in it, garlic powder in it, and pretty much everything that you need to put in there, it has in there. I mean, literally, it's like the best all-in-one, and I absolutely love it. But anyways, let's put it in the air fryer and show you how it's done. And here we go, guys. As you can see, put some garnish on it, but it already mixed up with the parsley. And there's your chicken. Look at this thing. It is so spicy and yummy. And again, if you want to put cayenne pepper, it has mushrooms here. You see here, the mushrooms got hit with that hot goodness. All of that yummy goodness right there. I beg you to try it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Give it a try and see what you think. I guarantee on wings, on thighs, on drumsticks, you guys will love it. In the air fryer, I highly recommend it, but anywhere, even in the oven, it's going to taste amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and thank you so much. We finally reached 8,000 subs. Let's rock and roll, eat and enjoy, be healthy. Take care, y'all. Bye. As always, guys, if you like what you see, self-funded here, be sure to check out all my other stuff, from mini-series to unboxings to technology, and Nintendo reviews and 3D printer reviews and all that good stuff. If you like what you see, the only way you can help the channel is by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that bell button. As many more cool videos to come. Definitely want you guys in it, and I want you guys to be vocal. Definitely comment down below. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye.